Hello, welcome back to Tech Time, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to key out this green screen and turn it into this in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hopefully this all goes well. Anyway, so before we even get to the Adobe stuff, before we even get to editing, we gotta learn how to light this this green screen, because if you don't light it correctly or don't light it at all, it's not gonna look good. It's gonna look absolutely terrible, and no one wants to look at a very bad background with all it's all grainy. It's gonna look terrible if you don't light it. So what I have to light this background is one light right here, so you can probably see my hand going over it and blocking the light from my face, and that's off camera. And then I got one right here, which is also off camera, because obviously I don't want to show you my lights, because yeah. And you can probably see it right here blocking it, I think. But yeah, so that's evenly lighting this green screen, because if it's not evenly lit, some parts are going to look bad, some parts are going to look good, and maybe the background won't go to this one. Believe me, I've had that many times when trying to record videos, especially for my gaming channel videos. Go check that out, link in the description. Yeah, so basically you want a nice smooth background. So this newer green screen I have, it like goes like this and stuff, and it rolls up and down, so it has a nice flush finish, so it always is smooth for me, at least. But you might not have this one, so make sure it's smooth, no wrinkles, please, no wrinkles. Anyway, no wrinkles. And it has to be evenly lit, as I said before, because it's the same cause with wrinkles. Wrinkles, they make shadows, and shadows, they prevent your Ultra key in Premiere Pro from keying out the green and putting in the background. So you're gonna see green in places, like dark green in places. And one more thing, don't wear green while you're recording green screen footage. I don't have many green shirts, or anything green really on me right now, so I don't blend in with the background. If I was wearing something green, or if I had anything green, it would blend in and the background would go onto it. So you don't want to do that whenever you're filming or taking photos of a green screen. So now that we've talked about how to light and what to not do when shooting with a green screen, let's go over to Adobe Premiere Pro and let's key out this green screen and put whatever you've already saw, because I'm just going to be editing this part of the video while I record the second half of this video. You guys are going to be seeing me edit this part of the video. So behind the scenes look. Bye-bye. Actually, not bye-bye, I'll just see you in the next shot. Alright, so here we are in Premiere Pro. So I have already searched it up, Ultra key, and we get Ultra key down here. I'm going to drag and drop that to the point where I snap, and then however long after, because it's going to be like that. And alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go select this, go over to effects, and then we get this right here. So we're going to select this, and yes, you'll see the shadows and everything else will be black, but that's fine. And then we're going to first I'm going to make some space for our picture, our background actually. So let's just get it out, and then we just need to make it big. Oops, wrong thing selected. There you go, and that's our background. Look at that. That looks nice. And then I'm just gonna drag this over so that it fills the entire thing. This in Adobe Premiere Pro. And now, as you can see, as I move, it's still tracking. And yeah, that's really it. That's how easy editing out a green screen is in a Premiere Pro. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you did find this video helpful, please share it with someone else. who you think could benefit from this video. And yeah, until so yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which might be a while, but I'll if you would like, I'll catch you guys on my gaming channel. Link in the description. Yeah, I'll see you on my gaming channel. Bye bye.